So St. Bart's was a tender day, and when we tendered out there, we weren't sure what we were gonna do, so we thought about doing a tour, and there was a family next to us who said that they were gonna walk to something called Shell Beach, and I said, can we just follow along? So we did, and it took us, how long, like 10 minutes?
Yeah.
10-15 minutes to walk down there?
It wasn't long.
It wasn't long at all. So if you are in St. Bart's and you don't want to shop, or if you want to shop later, I suggest just going down to Shell Beach because it's kind of a cool beach. It was a little hard to walk on because the shells are quite hard, but you get to see a beach and it has a lot of different shell pieces. Some are whole, some are crushed and mixed with sand. It was a nice place to go.
Yeah, we did have a tour booked through Seabourn. Originally, that's what we were going to do on this island, but it turned out that that particular tour was canceled, and so I think what we ended up doing, you know, catching a taxi and just having a brief overview of the island. It turned out great. We got to see both sides of the island.
I've never been on a cruise where in one of the ports you step off and there's a Louis Vuitton, a Dolce & Gabbana, and all those fancy stores that I really don't shop at.
Yeah, because most cruise ports, you know, tend to show you either the local stuff or, you know, the cruise stuff, the items that the cruise line is promoting.
Or sometimes they build a port just for that cruise ship.
Yes.
So all the shops are sponsored by the cruise ship.
Yes.
This is a very different place since the Seabourn Odyssey is a smaller ship. They can go to places that the mega cruise lines can't go to.
Definitely.
So this is one of those places where I don't even think they'd want mega ships because of all the yachts that are here, all of the jet skis that are going by. There's just a lot of activity going on, and the shops are the kind of shops where you sit down and they give you a glass of champagne while you shop, kind of thing. So it was really cool to see.
It was. That impressed me too. The harbor area impressed me. From our balcony, there are several large yachts. There are several large yachts that you can view right from our balcony. And apparently the second largest yacht in the world is sitting in the same harbor.
Yeah.
So that was impressive.
So after lunch, ended up going to the spa where we sat on those nice, I don't even know what the real name is.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out what it is. But these nice heated seats, and then proceeded to the sauna and the steam room, and we socialized with friends that we made on the ship. We were walking back to our room after visiting our friend's winter garden suite, which is just phenomenal. They have fiber optic lights above their 2-seater jacuzzi tub.
Yes, it was huge.
We'll show you a picture. As we're coming down the hall, Captain Bilal, he approaches us and asks us how our day was going and all these other things.
I've never seen this where a captain comes to your door just to tell you that, you know, you don't really need to join the other VIPs for a bridge tour. You get your own private bridge tour with Captain Simon, the same captain we had dinner with 2 nights ago.
I'll put a photo right now so you can see who we had dinner with.
Yeah. So we get to eat with Captain Simon. No, we go to the bridge. We get to go to the bridge with Captain Simon.
The funny thing is, though, after having dinner with him, we got an invitation saying you're going to meet with the captain, Othello. So I thought that was our private tour. So while Bilal was talking, I said, oh, aren't we already doing one? And he said, no. That one is with a group of people. This one is just with you and another couple. So there'll only be 4 people on this tour, not a group of people. Yeah. So of course we're trying to to be cool while we walk down the hallway.
Yeah.
And I was like, Mom. And she was like, hold on, lady. Let's get into our room. And when we get in our room, we're like,
oh my. So we've just been, every day, it's just been a surprise after another, surpassing our expectations. So I am told from a call that came from guest services that there is a special surprise for me tonight. I don't know what it is. I don't know where it's going to be, but apparently there's a surprise. I'm hoping, I don't want to
celebrate your birthday, that's why. I don't know what it is.
Yes, it's for my birthday.
Yeah.
But I don't know what it is, and I'm
Me
looking forward to
either.
it.
Yeah.
So, all right. So go get dressed and
Get ready for dinner. Today is elegant casuals.
so that was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Earlier in the day, we did go to. Ladies yawning
I
again.
know. I can't wait to watch this video back.
It's like.
And remember to look here.
Oh, right
Don't
there.
look up, because then that looks funny in the video. Even though the whole time I was looking up. So, yes.
Click on the link below.
The link below as she points upwards. So funny. Okay.